Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is graphology the study of? Is it A. Handwriting for the purpose of analyzing the character of the writer? B. Race. C. Venereal diseases. Or D. Intonation and speech? The answer is A. Handwriting for the purpose of analyzing the character of the writer.
Graphology, the study of handwriting to analyze character traits, has roots dating back to ancient China and Greece. While often debated in scientific circles, graphologists claim they can discern over 5,000 personality traits from a person's script. Even Napoleon Bonaparte reportedly used graphology to assess his general's capabilities.
Question 2. What color are holly berries? Is it A. Blue, B. Purple, C. Yellow, or D. Red? The answer is D. Red.
Holly berries, known for their vibrant red hue, have been a symbol of Christmas cheer for centuries. Interestingly, while they add a festive touch to holiday decorations, these berries are toxic to humans and many animals. Birds like thrushes and blackbirds can safely enjoy them as a winter snack.
Question 3. What is the tallest tree species in the world? Is it A. Mountain ash, B. Douglas fir, C. Oak tree, or D. Coast redwood? The answer is D. Coast redwood.
The coast redwood, or Sequoia sempervirens, can soar over 379 feet tall, making it the tallest tree species on Earth. These majestic giants are not only towering but ancient. Some have been standing for over 2,000 years. Their bark can grow up to a foot thick, providing remarkable fire resistance.
Question 4. Who discovered the structure of the atom? Is it A. Niels Bohr, B. Ernest Rutherford, C. J. Thomson, or D. Albert Einstein? The answer is B. Ernest Rutherford.
Ernest Rutherford, known as the father of nuclear physics, discovered the atom's structure in 1911. His gold foil experiment revealed that atoms consist mostly of empty space with a dense, positively charged nucleus at their center. This groundbreaking discovery laid the foundation for modern atomic theory and revolutionized our understanding of matter.
Question 5. What disease did sailors use to contract because of lack of vitamin C? Is it A. Polio, B. Smallpox, C. Syphilis, or D. Scurvy? The answer is D. Scurvy.
During long sea voyages, sailors often fell victim to scurvy, a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C. Symptoms included swollen gums and lethargy. In the 18th century, British naval surgeon James Lind discovered that citrus fruits like lemons and limes could prevent scurvy, earning sailors the nickname limeys.
Question 6. By what process is rock worn down by the weather? Is it A. Sublimation, B. Erosion, C. Sediment, or D. Vegetation? The answer is B. Erosion.
Erosion, nature's relentless sculptor, shapes landscapes over millennia. Wind, water, and ice team up to wear down mountains into valleys and carve out stunning formations like the Grand Canyon. This process not only creates breathtaking scenery but also plays a crucial role in soil formation and nutrient cycling for ecosystems.
Question 7. From which type of tree do we get hardwood? Is it A. deciduous, B. gymnosperm, C. evergreen, or D. conifer? The answer is A. deciduous.
Deciduous trees, like oak and maple, shed their leaves annually and are the source of hardwood. This wood is prized for its durability and beauty, making it ideal for furniture and flooring. Interestingly, the term deciduous comes from the Latin word decidere, meaning to fall off, reflecting their seasonal leaf drop.
Question 8. What does hepatitis affect? Is it A. liver, B. bladder, C. kidney, or D. stomach? The answer is A. liver.
Hepatitis, a condition that inflames the liver, can be caused by viruses, alcohol use, or autoimmune diseases. The liver is a vital organ responsible for over 500 functions, including detoxifying blood and producing bile. Remarkably resilient, it can regenerate itself even after losing up to 75% of its tissue.
Question 9. Which of these people was not an astronomer? Is it A. Johannes Kepler, B. Christian Barnard, C. Edwin Hubble, or D. Edmund Halley? The answer is B. Christian Barnard.
Christian Barnard, renowned for performing the world's first successful human heart transplant in 1967, was a pioneering cardiac surgeon rather than an astronomer. While he revolutionized medicine on Earth, his celestial counterpart Galileo Galilei was busy revolutionizing our understanding of the heavens with his telescope centuries earlier.
As we orbit away from today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is the true force of attraction. Stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.